What's the word, G? So we are back. Here is a quick update of both investing model and a trading model that I'm working also. With the investing model, I started during more or less this period where we have this line in October. I took my time before I deployed the EA because I was finishing the investing model. As you can see, we traded all this range, very big trends, and especially this downtrend provided very interesting candles. Currently account, as you can see, I connected the tracker to MQL, but I don't trust this. I don't want to say the word, but they're very nasty sometimes, so never trust MQL, honestly. So it can get down, so I'm using also FOREX Factory. This is the first time I use FOREX Factory, and I'm using FX Blue because this one is very interesting, but at the same time I don't like the, the interface compared to my FX book or to MQL. But as mentioned, MQL at one point can just take down your signal and you will lose months of pretty much of work, because that's why real traders like me track their accounts, to prove that we can do what we talk about. So pretty much 9%, 3% every month, because I didn't start that mention right away. Let's check the account. I made the deposit on the O2, but first trade was on the 14th. So if we go to the chart and if we move this line to B14, you can see pretty much I enter in a cycle, in a bullish cycle. So I clean, I think, here the first time, this area. As mentioned, I'm a counter trend trader. For me, that's the best option. As you can see, even with this model that is outdated, let's check. I'm currently with a 74% win rate with a sample of 300 trades, something that mentors spend years trying to achieve. I just do it with counter trending and grid. So that just shows how easy trading is. Just people decide to complicate things. Then we had this big major trend. Here is when I pretty much close the big part of the EA, because also something that I want to show is I'm pretty much, I don't know if I have the long trades. Yeah, it's showing short trades, but pretty much I'm trading an only buy model currently. Let me show you in the account. So you can see this pretty much only buys. I'm finishing final details with the sell side. As you can, or as I explained in previous videos, I always use specific ranges. Like for me, it's not the same to trade buy as I trade the sells, okay? For me, this trend is more aggressive than this buy trend that is showing more sustained bullish pressure. For me, gold is always going to be stronger than the dollar to the nature of both assets and the nature of yields versus appreciation. So I need to be very careful, especially with the sell model, because at one point I can be in ranges like 2024. Actually, that's what I'm doing. I'm finishing with 2021 to 2025 data, mainly because 2021 is when I started my P1 portfolio that I've been also sharing. You can check in my Discord the results for all my portfolios, especially this B1 that managed to run for 113 weeks non-stop pretty much, or at least it traded non-stop when it was on, unless I was updating or something. 12k trades, amazing results. So the idea is to provide something better, and I think I'm achieving, because even though this is at 3% per month, that again, not even mentors that talk a lot can do this with this efficiency and 100% automatic. I just updated the model, so the one that closed in 9% is not the one that I'm running currently, so I expect this to slowly get better. Market is pretty much not doing anything right now. It's not providing yet those moves that I need for the investing model to shine, so pretty much I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for big moves. I don't have to do anything, but back test. That's what I love. That's what I do. I keep optimizing if I find sweet spots to do it. If not, this account will roll as it's been doing. And with the trading, for example, I have this account that it started last year around this time in December. So very, very beautiful model. It can get better. I'm trying to get something that I have to manage as less as possible, but this account is already sitting at 68% or $68,000 of profit. Already saved some of the out from the market, so it's missing just this last withdraw, because what I do is I don't keep the money in the market. I rather use the profits in even more aggressive models so I can keep pushing market. But in this case, as you can see, market was smoked. Like, I pretty much smoked market. Even with aggressive models and counter trading with no stop loss and TP, you can see the value of something that really people need to start understanding. Trading is very simple. It's buy and sell. And if you're deciding to go to predict and to be the sniper entry and to have zero drawdown, well, that's not my style. I'm not really interested in that. As far as I know, I have a very, very decent win rate. Even here that is low at 74%, I'm gonna achieve at least 80% in 1 year when the sample gets bigger. So really, people need to start understanding trading is simple. Mentors, gurus, whoever is teaching you is making it very, very complex by adding too much noise to their charts. So create counter trending, no stop loss. That's the sauce. So here are the evidence, the proof. We have tracking record, we have consistency of tracking record. So let's talk less and do more profits. Okay, let's smoke the markets together. Have a good one, Juice.